Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for tuning in. So I've just received my Amazon Basics jack stands for the car, for when I need to work under the car. So I mean, these are cheap stands, and I think they're strong enough. Probably can hold up to 3 tons if I'm not wrong. So let me open it up and so we can see how it is, and how we can also try today and see how it works.
Talk to me, show me all that hurts you deep. Soak my shirt in all.
So it does have some instructions over here on how you can kind of assemble it. So make sure you take note of your lift points under your car. So you do have this control lever over here. So let me assemble it, and then let's see how it's gonna be or look like under the car.
All your tears, so I can talk with you. Breathe to me, tales of things that haunt your dreams.
So you need to have this control lever facing you, and then you have this part of the jack on the left, and then when you raise the lever, it goes straight inside. When it's down here, it's locked. So when you raise it, put it back inside, and I think that's one of the highest points you can have it. You can raise it, take it down all the way to the bottom. So I mean, just make sure you balance it on the same level.
Champagne machine, so I can breathe with you.
And now we can raise up the other tire. So we finally have the car on the jack stands. I just have those two in the bottom of the tire just for safety reasons. I mean, you never know. So this is the right side, and this is the left side, the left jack. Yep. And if you would want a set, I'll just put a link in the description. I think they're slightly above, or probably at around $36, I think. So grab a set whenever you can and put them into use. Thank you for watching. As always, please subscribe, share, like this video, and tune in for more DIY videos. Thank you.